Okay, I'm here with my new buddy Logan, and we're going to try and figure out how to use the light rail fare vending machines. And Logan was cool and he got to go up to 19th Avenue in Montebello today, and they showed him how to do it. Really looks pretty simple. I mean, basically you've got a few choices: 1 day, 3 days, 7 day, 31 day. We're going to go ahead, I think, since the most popular is
all day
pass,
yeah.
Right? So let's walk through this. You just
Alright, so first you hit local full fare.
Okay.
Unless you're, over 65 or age 6 through 18, so go local full fare, and then we want to do an all-day pass. So we're going to hit this, and then it's just for one person, so we're going to hit one pass, and then it asks you if we want to activate it immediately. We want to, so yes. And
now there's not an option for cash on here. I think this is really important for people to see, because credit card and debit card, I'm not using that right now. So Logan understands, and he just told me that all you do is you put the money in.
Yep.
Right? So
what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and insert the bills. Didn't like that one.
Don't like that one either.
Let's try a 5.
Okay, so we'll see.
That's mine, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Take your pass. Woohoo!
Prints out your
Looks like I got change.
Prints out the dollar coins too, which is kind of cool.
Nice.
That's yours.
That's mine. Hey Logan, thanks man. We
That's how
appreciate
you
your
do it.
time.
Yeah.
Looks pretty easy.